We're gonna make some high fiber breakfast burritos. This side I have it much cooler than over here. This one's down all the way low. This one's all the way high. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that one all the way low now so I can cool it down for the tortillas. Cooking on these Blackstones is so easy. I mean, really, if I could do it, anybody could do it. Super easy egg and cheese burritos using high fiber tortillas, and these are actually pretty good. We've been eating these for a long time. They're not as big as the big old flour ones that we sometimes use. Good portions, so I figured two of these burritos are a good source of fiber for the day.